Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating the app and backing up your account, then open Studio and pick the character you'll edit. Once there, tap the color or palette icon and switch to the advanced picker so you can use RGB, HSV, or hex input. This lets you work around blocked presets by building an exact color from numeric values. Make sure to duplicate the part you'll recolor before making big changes. That prevents accidental loss and gives you a reference to compare against. Once you have the advanced picker, import a reference or paste the hex code of the block shade and use the eyedropper if needed. Then nudge hue, saturation, and value, or the individual R/G/B sliders until you match the tone. Small tweaks matter for highlights and shadows. Toggle alpha to control transparency. When satisfied, save that swatch to a custom slot or temporary palette in the studio so you won't lose it. This ensures you can reuse the color across parts and characters. Now apply the custom color to the appropriate layers, using layer modes like multiply or overlay for shading and highlights so the blocked hue reads naturally. Once done, export the sprite or save and reopen the character to confirm the color persists across sessions. If the color resets or appears blocked, clear the app cache or reinstall. Alternatively, tweak the hex by a hair, 1 to 3 points, and resave. Small shifts often bypass internal restrictions while keeping the look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.